Hello guys, welcome back once again to another episode of Learn Data Analytics with Blessing. If you're just coming across my video for the very first time, my name is Ibrahim Blessing and I'm that data analyst I'm so passionate about growth. In today's video, we'll be looking at the where clause in SQL. And what is this where clause used for? It is used to filter your data. So here let's start. The where clause is mostly used at times with some comparison operators as well as some logical, operators. So you can see here that we have some comparing operators that you all know. Your number equal to, symbol equal to, not equal to. This symbol is for not equal to, or this one. It's either you use this exclamation mark equal to as not, or this one. They both mean the same thing. Not it's still the same thing. Then we have your less than, your greater than, less than or equal to, your greater than or equal to. So let's say for example now we want to look at I want you to return the record of those in the New York City. So I'd say okay, select all from customer where, so we use the where clause here, where what the city is equal to what, New York. So anytime you are typing in a text, always wrap it around your quotation mark, New York, like this. And I will end my query and let's run this and see. Execute, and this only returns one person, which is Alice Johnson, because she's the only one in the New York City. So what if, let's run all again. Let me select all from the customers without applying the filter to it, and you can see we have all the records here, over 20 rows in this particular table. What if I want to see those that their age is above 30? I want to see the records of customers with the age above 30. So I'd come here, let's just remove this and say okay, where the age is greater than 30. If you're typing in number, just type it in, don't wrap it around quotation mark. You only wrap text around quotation mark. Now end my query, and okay, so I didn't put the space in it. Where the age is greater than 30, let's run this, and this will return record of people with age that is greater than 30. So you can see that has reduced from 20 rows to 9 rows here. If I want greater than or equal to 20, I just add the equal to symbol here and I run this. I have greater than or equal to, run this, and this is giving us just 10 rows, which means that it has included the one with the age 30. If you want for those that are less than 30, so I'll type in less than 30, end my query, run it again. This would give us record of those that are less than, or you can see here that all records here are less than 30. If it is less than or equal to 30, it means it's going to give us values that are from 30 downwards. So less than or equal to 30, then I run this, and this gives us record of people that are from 30 years old downwards. Then what if I want to see those that are not equal to 30? So either you use the symbol exclamation mark, then equal to, not equal to 30, like this. Is either you use this, let's run it. You can see that we have just 19 rows, or you use this particular symbol, this one, for not. They're both doing the same thing. Now run this and it will give you the same result as the other one, 19 rows. That's excluded the person with the age 20, with the age 30 I mean. So this where clause is used to filter out data from your records or filter data from your table, and it works with either the comparison operators as well as the logical operators, the and, the or, the not. We'll look at that in our next video. So this is how you filter your data using the where clause alongside with the select statement in SQL. I hope you've been able to pick one or two from this video. As usual, don't forget to like, share, and take our time to practice, because you're practicing better perfection. We're taking it step by step, one after the other, so you don't get lost. And there's one thing I love about SQL is the fact that once you understand English, you would understand how to work with the statements, the commands, the clause, then SQL. All right. See you again in the next video. Bye.